Watch me move the paper clip with my mind. As you can see, the red card is in the middle here. 2, 2, and in the middle. So I placed the paper clip in the middle. And when I turn it, it does not appear in the middle. I shifted to the right instead. The material needed for this is double-sided tape, a paper clip, pair of scissors, and 5 cards, 4 black and 1 red for contrast. First, you have to tape all the cards together at the sides like this, placing the red one in the middle. So to do this trick, you have to point out the middle card to the audience and flip the card and put the paper clip in the middle card like this. Now, you have to flip the cards around to show the audience that you have moved the paper clip and it is not in the middle. This is an illusion because when you flip the card behind, the placement of the card is at the other side.